Okay, so for classroom example 7, here they're asking for us to find the equation of a line parallel to y equals negative 3 that passes through the point 10, 4. All right, well, let's at least get an idea of what we're talking about here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my point 10, 4. What does the line y equals negative 3 look like? That is a horizontal line that goes through the point negative, that goes through the point 0, negative 3. Y is negative 3 everywhere. So if I want a parallel line to this horizontal line, I'm going to want the equation of the line that is a horizontal line that goes through the point 10, 4. The equation of horizontal lines are y equals a constant. So what is the y value of that point? 4. So that's the point 0, 4. That's the point 10, 4. So the horizontal line, or the line parallel to this other horizontal line that goes through the point 10, 4, is y equals 4. So sometimes you will have to draw a little graph just to remind yourself, get a picture in your mind of what question you're answering. And here, let's go ahead and use, let's practice with an application problem. So here we have a pool company that learned that by pricing their toy at $10, the sales reached 200 toys per week. But if they lowered the price, of course, they'd sell more toys. So assume the relationship is linear. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. And hint, you have the information for 2 points. The price, when it's $10, they sell 200. The price, when it's $9, they sell $2.50. All right, so we have enough information to find the slope of the line. My slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my slope is going to be 250 minus 200 over 9 minus 10, which is 50 over negative 1, or negative 50. So the price goes, the number of toys goes down by 50 every dollar, down 50 for every dollar you raise the price, down 50 for every dollar you raise the price, down 50 over 1, down 50 over 1. So now we have the slope. So we have slope and a point. Y minus y1 is going to equal mx minus x1. So y minus my y1 is 200 is going to equal, my slope is negative 50, x minus, and my x1 is 10. So now I have point-slope form, but they want the answer in slope-intercept form, y by itself. So let's distribute the 50. Y minus 200 equals negative 50x. Negative times a negative is positive. 50 times 10 is 500. And then we're going to add 200 to both sides. Y equals negative 50x plus 700. That's the equation of the line This is how many toys you'll sell based on X would be your price, your dollar price. And here's our bonus. What's the weekly sales if the price is dropped to $7.50? Well, the number of toys will be -50 times $7.50 plus 700. So we've dropped our price. Not surprisingly, we're going to sell a lot more toys. If you put that in your calculator, you get 325 toys if you drop your price to $7.50. So I just want to point out an important table. This is on page 225. Standard form of a line, slope-intercept form of a line, point-slope form of a line. Equation for a horizontal line, y equals a constant. Equation for a vertical line, x equals a constant. And a reminder of parallel lines have the same slope and perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. So you're going to want to go ahead and do your homework. Talk to you later. Bye.